To put in an invisible zipper, you need the garment with the center line marked. I've done it in pink here. The funky thing about an invisible zipper is that you put it in before the seam below it is stitched. You also need an invisible zipper foot. Bernina makes one. Looks like this on the bottom. But you can also get one at Joann's that has adapters for any kind of home sewing machine. Of course, you need an invisible zipper. And the first thing you do here is press it open. Make sure the iron isn't too hot. The teeth can melt. Now I start out with my garment laid out. This is the right side. This is the left side. Here's my zipper. I'm going to open it and turn it over and put it on one side. I've pinned this so that the fold of the coil is exactly on the finished line. With this adjustable foot, you set the needle so that it is sitting right in the fold of the zipper. Make sure the zipper works before progressing. If you've caught the teeth in any way, it won't. You'll have to stop and do it over. If you have to match a pattern, close the zipper, and from the face, line the fabrics up so they match the way they need to. And then put some pins sideways through the zipper tape to mark the spot. Open the zipper, flip it over and repin. Again, close the zipper. Make sure that everything works and matches. Slide the foot all the way over to the side, or replace it with a zipper foot and stitch the rest of the seam. When you know everything works, stitch the outside edge of the zipper tape. Don't try to sew past the head. As you come to it, lift the presser foot, move the head, and keep going.